everybody, today we're going to be doing some grilled vegetables. Grilled vegetables for either a vegan, vegetarian, or as a side dish for other dishes, as steak, chicken, pork. We're going to be doing zucchini, eggplant, tomatoes, peppers, and mushrooms. I put a little bit of olive oil on my mushrooms. You peel your sweet potato. You have different ways you can slice it. You can slice it either on the round or on the long slice. I prefer the long slice. Long slices, cut them as thick as you like. Some people like it thick, some like it thin. We're going to spread a little bit of vegetable oil or olive oil onto each one, and we brush it on. This helps our food from not sticking to the barbecue with the heat, and it also helps your seasoning stay adhered to the vegetable itself. I use salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. We put them on the grill, which we had oiled beforehand. This way it helps stick less. The onions, we just trim off the ends and we're going to stick them directly onto the grill. Zucchini, we trim the ends, they'll be sliced, and we're going to add those later. Here we're going to be making onion lollipop. Onion lollipops are thickly sliced onions that are skewered with a bamboo skewer. The skewer we soak in water for 24 hours. It helps go in easier, and also you don't get any splinters into your food. You put one slice on each skewer. You can put oil on your lollipops so that they don't stick, and it also helps with the caramelization of the onion while it's grilling. They go onto the grill oil side down so they don't stick. Flip your food as it's cooking so it doesn't burn. Tomatoes, we're going to halve them. These are cherry tomatoes, and we're going to add some herbs and some olive oil and vegetable oil. These will go into a packet. They'll get lightly stewed, bringing out the flavor of the herbs and the tomatoes themselves. Fold up your aluminum packet and you put it on the top rack of your barbecue. It's not too hot and it won't burn. As your onions are caramelizing, you turn them over. Peppers, we halve them and we pull out the seeds and the stalk. They go onto the grill, and we're going to put a little bit of olive oil and vegetable oil on them and just let them get grill marks on them, and then we'll turn them over. This is what it looks like. You can see I have some herbs that are being lightly grilled. I do that to heat them up so they release more of their flavor. Eggplant, I do it on the round. I find it's easier to work with. Some people like it lengthwise. You can do it either way. After I've sliced my zucchinis and my eggplant, I cover them with olive oil and vegetable oil, and then I'm going to season them with salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. This gives it a nice flavor, and it helps the food from drying out, and it won't stick to your grill, which is very important. A little bit more olive oil and vegetable oil on the opposite side, and if you want to add more seasoning, you can add more seasoning. Once you see that you're getting a nice char marks on your vegetables, you're going to flip them over. After that, it's plating. Happy barbecuing, Saint-Pierre.